Okay, welcome students, welcome to live class. Today I have brought here the question from profit and loss. Okay, it is also shared by the students. Okay, according to this question, okay, because there is given, okay, because is because, okay, because purchased, because has purchased, because has purchased, because has purchased 10,000, right here 10,000, okay, in 10,000 of of copies right there. Okay, this is 10,000 of copies from 10,000 of copies factory from a factory, right, and then and sold and sold there is and sold, right, them and sold them right here in sold them and it sold them and sold them to a stationer, sold them to a stationer, sold them to a stationer, sell them to, okay, sold them to the stationer at a at a profit. Okay, here is given profit दिएको छ. Okay, at a profit of 5% of 5%. Okay, 5% profit. Then there is given the stationer. Then there is given the stationer. Right here the stationer. Then the stationers. Then the stationer sold them. Then the stationer sold them. Okay, sold them. Then the stationer sold them. Okay, at a profit of 5%, sold them at a profit of right there, okay? Sold them at a profit of sold them at a profit of 5%, right? 5% for, and there's given rupees for rupees 1366, there is given 1366, okay? And here we have to be clear about that. What is the cost price of the copies for the stationer, okay? Right? Here must be, look here, we must be clear about it. Here is because, okay, one person is there, because is here, right? Here is because, you must be clear about this, okay? Because is there, because has purchased from factory, and here is the factory, okay? Here is the factory one, okay? Factory is here, factory is here, okay? And we must be clear about this here. Factory is here. This is because, I'm writing B for because, and this is F for factory, okay, I'm writing. And here is next one, stationery is there, okay? There is given stationery here, right? And there is one stationery here, okay? Here is stationery, okay? We must be clear about it. Because has purchased 10 dozen of copies from factory, and from here purchasing, and then because is selling to stationery, okay? This is given here. And final one there is given, the stationer has sold them, for the stationer there is given there, okay? For the stationer there is given profit percentage, I am writing a P percentage is given there, I'm writing shortly here 5%, okay? For the, this is for the stationer 5%. The stationer sold, there is the stationer sold them at a profit of 5% for this one, okay? This is given SP here, okay? For the SP, SP is given there, rupees, okay, 1366, there is given 1366, we can write here, okay? Right here 1366, 1366 right here, 1366 right here, okay? This is the SP, and there is profit percentage, and with the help of this, okay, this is the stationer will sell to the customer one, okay? Then from here, if it is asked to find Okay, what was the cost price for this stationer? We can find easily. Okay, for this, look here, what we need to do. Look here clearly. Here we are going to find the CPU for the, this is the CPU for the stationer. Okay, now to find this CPU we need to use like this. Look here, now write this formula. CP equals to, there is formula SP, right, into 100, right, by 100 plus profit percent. If loss percent, then minus loss percent, but here is profit percent given, that's right, P percentage, right? Okay, like this, right? Now let's put the value, what will come here. SP is given there 1366, right? Right here, and then multiply by 100, then 2 more 0 will be here. Then now when we add this 100 with profit percent 5, you will get here 105. Okay, children, like this. Now we have to multiply and divide it. First of all, 1 3, okay, 136 6. Okay, then how many 0 are there? 120. Okay, then divided by down there is 105. Okay, then its answer comes here in decimal. Okay, this is its answer comes here in decimal. It is coming here rupees, okay, 1300, 1300.95. Okay, 95. It comes like this. Then now, as we know that cost price of this, okay, stationer will be the, this will be the selling price for this Vikas. Okay, selling price for the Vikas, SP, right? Here will be SP. Then in this SP, what will be now here? 1300, right here 1300. This also rupees. Okay, don't forget to write rupees. 1300.95. Okay, this is the SP for the Vikas. Okay, and for him also there is given from the factory and sold them to the stationer, okay, at a profit of 5%. Here is given also 5% profit. Okay, profit percent is given there also 5%. We have to write it like this, 5%. Then let's find out the CP here also. Okay, find the CP in this condition here. Second one, look there. Okay, let's find out CP for the cost price for the Vikas. Okay, then see, to find the CP for the Vikas, again we need to use here the formula, same formula. Now CP equals to what? CP equals to, you have to write here SP into 100, right? Right here, SP into 100 by 100 plus, okay, profit percentage, right, like this. Then what to do here? SP is already found here, 1,300.95, okay, multiply by 100. Then we have to write here also 105 because 100 plus 5 is profit percent, here also 105. Okay, now if we divide it, let's divide it, what will come? Here is coming 1300, 1300.95, okay, into 100 make there, into 100, then divided by 105, okay. Then its answer comes here 1239. Here comes answer, rupees 1239. Okay, so and this is the cost price for Vikas, okay, that he has bought, okay, this 10 dozen of copies from the factory, okay, by paying 1239 rupees only, okay, clear? Now there is this is the question, okay, related to this one, okay, Vikas bought from factory, okay, Vikas has bought these copies, okay, from factory by paying 1239. Okay, this is the cost price of Vikas. I hope you understood here. If you have any queries, any questions, okay, you can share with me. And today, this much only, okay, we'll meet next day, okay, by bringing the next questions. Thank you very much.